Burn. Okay guys, so burn na steak. Beef steak guys. Pero hindi ko pa siya nilalagyan ng I didn't put yet onion. So guys, just wait. Okay? Wait lang kayo guys. I will put onion. AJ, can you hold this please? I will put some onion. Just focus on the steak. On the steak, yes, there. Don't put there. Okay. On the steak. Yeah. Big onion. So I will get the big onion, guys. Wait, just wait lang, ha? Wait lang. Wait a minute, guys. Yun na lang ang kulang, guys. Don't worry. Wait, my daughter, she is holding the camera. And she's my beautiful daughter. She's very smart. And she knows taekwondo, and after that taekwondo she will take the what? Jiu-jitsu or aikido? Both? Okay, or kali, right? So now guys, here napit na. Okay, so guys, napit na, ha? I will put the onion. Onion, yeah. Correct, onion, not garlic. I put already garlic but little bit only para medyo masarap. Mag-absorb kagad yung ano niya. And then, after that, here we go. Nangangalay ng video. Alright, so here we go. How's that? So look, and you know, guys, Alright, guys, konti na lang. Stay focused on the game. Okay, guys, so and then lalagyan ko siya ng soy sauce. So it will DJ put the focus. Alright, finish. Okay, wait, I add some lemon. Masarap. So ayan guys, the lemon now. I squeeze the lemon. Kasi pag di ka nag-squeeze ng lemon, hindi masarap. That's the secret. Okay? That's my secret. And nahabulong-bulong mo yung lasa guys. Instead of, I didn't put any SMG, MSG or betchin or something. So yeah, my eyes is also me too. So okay guys,
bye.